This is crucial, investment in infrastructure like sewage treatment plants and our drinking water supply are as important to me as our libraries and maybe even our hospitals and our schools, because the 46,000 kilometres of pipework is invisible, it's out of sight. It may not be glamorous to talk about this sort of stuff, but this is the difference between living in a civilised society and an uncivilised society. It's not that long ago in Victorian times, that people were suffering from massive health inequalities, the public health problems were huge, and it was sewage infrastructure that sorted these problems out. And now we're facing another crisis, and I would ask the government, I would plead with the government, to recognise the value of this type of infrastructure. Maybe we don't need incinerators, maybe we don't need new roads. We can direct some of this money towards the investment that's absolutely critical to keep places like the Coyle River behind me clean and pristine and safe. Well, we're seeing it at the minute, 69% of our rivers and 76% of our lakes are suffering from chronic stress from nitrates, from phosphates. Some of that is coming from intensive agriculture, some of it is coming from wastewater treatment works that aren't operating effectively. So the consequences are decline in biodiversity, decline in wildlife. The birds that used to flock to these places and breed in these places simply aren't here anymore. And one of our major sources of pollution are failing wastewater treatment works. So we definitely and urgently need investment into this type of infrastructure.